na ako sa...
Kailan?
Kahapon!
Ano ka ba?
Nag-ano ako, nag-treadmill. Sa mga nagdating ng mukha ko doon, nakainis ako doon. Nag-treadmill ako, nag-push up ako. I did some tabata. Ano ba yung tabata?
I've heard of it. What's the
Ay,
vibe?
tama.
Ano, para sana tama yung pronunciation ko. Nagyari na naman ako dito.
No. I heard of it nga.
4 minutes na intense. Na walang pahingang sunod-sunod na iba't ibang posisyon. Yun ang gusto ko, kaya nananawagan ako dyan. Na sana may PT na nag-home service para mag-guide ako.
Na sana anywhere between 22 to 27 years old.
Chick na babae. Komportable ako dahil kasi nga parang kasama ko rin yung wife ko.
Okay.
Oo. Tapos parang dalawa. Hindi ako kasi ng guy kasi medyo ang guy, medyo expectation. Di ba? Gusto ko yung ano lang, daan-daan lang.
Yes. A softer touch.
Oo, yun. Yung, kasi pag guy, nawaan ka, di ba? Parang hindi ko pa sigurado ko sa sarili ko eh.
Pero aside from working out, which sure is a great hobby, great. Pero yung parang that, you know, like an interest of yours.
Yes. Gusto ko sumali sa mga basketball, yung mga basketball games, yung mga ano lang, yung mga laro-laro lang. Baka meron kayo dyan, sasama ako dyan, basketball. Yun. Ano bang gusto mo sa Magansilyo ako? Papunta ka na dun
Sige, fine. What's that?
Idol lang ako.
I'm starting to collect the current kids' toy.
You're collecting toys?
No. Because you know when guys collect toys, it's robots, older Transformers stuff. I went to Pop Mart in Seoul last week, Sam, and there's a toy there that I saw. I'm like, I don't know why I'm levitating towards it.
What? Gravitating. It's gravitating, okay?
Whatever.
Levitating is when you're floating.
I am floating. The reason why I'm using that word is because it has something to do with the toy. Here we go.
What is it?
To show it, it's a Molly space fisher.
Oh,
Yun siya.
actually.
I like them.
Oh, and there's different, we have different friends who all look like this. They're
Yes.
ganito.
Yes.
How big is this thing?
There's a small size, there's a 400 size, and there's a 1,000 size. That's gigantic. That's like $1,000.
And like what? Pang